Building the perfect money machine. Isn't that what we're all trying to do? Look, one of the smartest guys I've ever met, smartest entrepreneurs, he said something I'll never forget. This was early in my career. I sell business opportunities for a living, and he told me, he said, people really don't want business. They don't want a business. They want a money machine. So I learned this when I was 32 years old, 33 maybe, early 30s, and I've been thinking about it ever since now. Almost 30 years I've been thinking about this. What people really want is a money machine. Nobody wants a business. A business is just, oh my God, it's just headaches and hassles and problems with employees and suppliers and government regulatory agents and customers and on and on and on and on. What you really want is just a money machine that just spits out that money. Now, the truth is, you've got to take some of the headaches and hassles along the way. There's always going to be problems and always going to be bad days and all of that. You know that. But ultimately, as I get older, my real goal is to have as much of the good without all of the bad. And that's what I'm trying to teach my clients too, to avoid certain problems that I've run into. And look, I'm striving to build the perfect money machine. It just it cranks out an endless flow of money, automatic money. Now, where is that automatic money coming from? And how do you do such a thing? Well, there's no time to go into all the details here, but I can lay out the basic strategy. And it's so simple. There's just 5 things here. Just 5 things. And I've got them memorized, so I'm not even working off of notes here. And I would encourage you to write these things down so that you can memorize it too. Commit it to memory and then think it through. Let it be your focus. Our goal is to get more people giving us more of their money, more often, for more profit per transaction with the greatest efficiency. More people giving us more money more often for more profit with the greatest efficiency. 5 simple ideas. Those are simple, very simple ideas. And yet each one of them, when you think it all through, as I have thought it all through, it can get kind of complicated because you've got to get the right people. If it's the wrong people, it's not going to work. You know, to give you enough money, you just can't ask for big bucks up front. You know, you have to, the best way to get somebody to give you $3,000 is to get them to give you $30 in the beginning or $300. And then for enough profit margin, you have to watch your margins carefully. And that's simplistic. It is all very simplistic, but you take those 5 things and add a few other very simple things to it, like getting involved in the right opportunities with the right people who have the right plan. And the right timing, of course, is very important. Very important. And add a few more things to that, and boom. I don't care how much money you want to make. If it's $100,000 a year, $100,000 a month, $100,000 a day, if the market is big enough and you do those very simple things and perfect it all, strive for perfection. That 5th thing was with the greatest efficiency, I might add, because there's no sense in bringing in a ton of money if it's all just going to be wasted. You know, and then some of the times in my business when we've brought in the most money, and for us that means a couple million a month in gross sales. Those are my my highest moments so far, probably ever, because I know this: the more money you want to make, the more problems you're going to face. And I'm at an age now where I really don't want the problems. I just want things to be smooth and easy, and I want that money machine, and I want to teach my clients how to build it. You've got to be involved with the right people. Those are people that have complementary skills and abilities, people that you can get along with and trust, people that have already done what you want to do or have the knowledge and experience and the talent that you need. And then you've got to get involved in the right opportunities. And those are things that you're excited and passionate about, opportunities that pay you the most money for the fewest transactions. That's why I do not do network marketing. I love the people in network marketing. Some of the products are great, very innovative, but when a sale is made, I want to get paid. And I want to get paid the most money. And when a sale is made by one of my joint venture partners that I introduced the opportunity to, and I'm working with, I want to get paid the most money. And I want them to have the same advantage. Multi-level marketing, the money's way too scattered out over way too many levels of distributors or affiliates or whatever you want to call them, or they call them different things. But it's all the same. You know, you're the only way to get paid thousands and thousands of dollars a month is to have thousands and thousands of people in your organization, and it's just a waste of time and precious life. But anyway, look, building the perfect money machine. That's what I'm dedicated to helping my clients do. That's what I'm dedicated to doing, and I've been doing this now this is my 30th year in the direct response business. So we've made a lot of mistakes. We've learned a lot. We've had a lot of successes too, bringing in many, many tens of millions of dollars in total sales for our clients and for ourselves. And now we're dedicated to teaching you. So if you're one of my clients, I'm very grateful. I hope you'll think very carefully about this. Hope you'll write those 5 things down and a few of the other ideas that I gave you. I know it all sounds simple. It is simple. Commit it to memory. Let it be part of your thinking process. Think it through to the best of your ability. And let me help you do these things. So thank you very much for listening. If you're not one of my clients and you want to know who I am and what I'm all about, click on the link below, and bye for now.